Welcome to Chevy Chronicles Part 3.
Welcome to Chevy Chronicles Part 3. You see that bump on his head? He was taking off the head and he hit himself.
Ford lift. I put this hat on so y'all can't see. We're looking way better. Alright guys. Okay. This kid wakes up at 5 in the afternoon like a fucking weirdo. Someone's absolutely destroying my asshole right now. Who the does that? Putting in that work. Damn, this bitch is so bad. Hold on. What? So bad. Fuck, man. Fuck. My ass is broke. I need to get some.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be here working on Sergio's C5 Corvette. The Chevy owner is here with me. We're just going to be finishing the other half of the car that we need to do. Assemble the exhaust from the headers and back. Install the alternator back on because we need to start the car today and we need to see how it sounds.
Hold on, give me a second.
So as you guys can see here in the back, we got the racing seats right here for the Corvette. We got a bunch of exhaust pieces.
Oh yeah.
So right now as I'm munching on a McChicken, we got Sergio putting in the jack stands, and that was a wet one. That was wet. So we just got Sergio unboxing all the tubes that we're going to be using today for the X-pipe install. This is some good ass piping. Speed engineer. It wouldn't be Chevy Chronicles if we don't talk about how shitty this car is.
I think you're talking about your Mustang in the driveway.
I don't know what you're talking about. This car is so bad that when he went to go brake, he hit his head. You're not that guy, pal. Alright guys, so we're currently having some technical difficulties on how to install these headers because one of the pipes is bent a little too far in, so it's hitting the exhaust wall and we're having a hard time fitting in the X-pipe. So we're just watching some YouTube videos right now to see how it's properly done, and from what I have seen here, that is how you do it, the way that we were doing it. So I'm just gonna go into the car and try again and hopefully it works. So this right here is what we're working with. So as I'm fighting on to put this X-pipe on the car, we got the Chevy owner just laying on his other Chevy to flex real quick for everybody. Got to see it through, my boy.
I think today is the day for me to bring out the Mustang again. I miss driving that thing, and I kind of miss gapping the out of these fucking Infinities once again than Nissan.
Give me the tubes. Yes. Oh, they're fucking garbage.
One Chevy owner, one C4.5 Corvette, and exhaust. Who will win the battle? So as you can see, this one goes on pretty nice. It fits. This one fits pretty well. Then when we go on this side, it actually goes in as well. I don't know what happened. Okay, let's try to put on the X-pipe. So as I can see here, it actually goes into the car pretty well. Sergio, I got it. It's on. It's just that, look, since the tubes, you have to put it halfway like on the first tube and halfway on the other one, because if not, it's too far back and too far forward. So it's half and half, and then you just clamp them on both ends.
Are the clamps on?
No. All right, now we got the clamps, and now it's time to put them on the pipes so we can tighten and secure them so that they do not fall off the car. So now we got to remove this X-pipe, and now we got to put one clamp there, one clamp on that side to hold these pipes onto the headers. Those two clamps are on. Now let's put the X-pipe on to make sure we have perfect fitment, to make sure we have the exhaust exactly how we want it before we tighten any of these clamps down. Put one there. There we go. now that both the clamps, now we got 2 clamps right here on the X pipe connecting to this pipe, and then these clamps connected to the headers. We just tighten them down, make sure the exhaust is exactly where we want it. All right, so since we're not gonna be needing these O2 sensors, what the f? Your oil filter is right here. All right, the 102 sensors out.
Literally rip, just literally pull on it. That's why I did this.
Alright, so we're gonna have to do a blind approach here. Dude, they call me O2 sensor Jesus. So now he's gonna be pushing on the belt tensioner, and he's gonna push it this way so that the belt becomes a little bit longer so I can slide it back onto the alternator. Push it more.
No, that's literally all it goes.
This shit. Let's take a smarter approach to this. There is no smarter approach. There you go. It's on. All right, guys. When you're putting on this belt, you want to make sure everything aligns perfectly. Right now, the belt right here in that middle pulley, it's not centered. So we're gonna try again. Pull it in on that side too.
Could I or could I not gap 08 GT?
Close your door. Oh, we're hitting 10 miles per hour. More. We're about to hit the startup on the C5. It's no longer the C4.5. The C5, Sergeant C5, go follow him on Instagram. We're about to start this up for the first time, and hopefully everything goes smooth. We've been working on this car for a while now, so if there's no misfires, we did something good. Like, we're good fucking mechanics if there's no misfires. Sergeant C5, go follow him on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram if you don't already. It's Rustyy 3.7. We got a V6 2016 Mustang 3.7. It's full bolt on. It's on E85, you know, and a couple of nice aesthetic mods. Starlights in the roof. Got the Euro tail lights. I was driving the other day, and my left entire exhaust from there to the back just fell off. So I think I'm just gonna cut this side off and just run dumps, cause fuck it, why not? After a very long time being awaited for this beast to turn on with the new headers and exhaust system, half exhaust system, cause we're running dumps. American car, fully gutted. The clutch still doesn't work, but we just want to hear what it sounds like with the brand new headers. We just want to see what it sounds like. It's been dead for like a month. I told you it was hot. Moment of truth. Let's see if she starts up. Nope, she's dead. All right, this is attempt number 2 on trying to start the car. Nah, she's still dead. All right, guys, this is attempt number 3 on trying to start the C5 Corvette. Hopefully it starts. It's like right there. For attempt number 4, here we go. It sounds good. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. We finally got this thing up and running. This is not the end of the car, but this is the Chevy owner Chronicles Part 3. This just sounds so good, man. Drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. More content coming soon.
And 32, this shit go crazy. Might shave my head like Britney. Might go insane, but I broke my brain if I got this fame too quickly.
So we're driving in the car, just literally just fucking. Did you hit that on accident and just turned off?
I won't like.
All right, just pull it right here.
There you go. I put it in.
What the fuck?